This is the plaintiff, Nicholas Vasilakos. He says he bought a very expensive pair of prescription glasses and frames from the defendant, and the thing started to crack. He brought them back to the defendant. She gave him a hard time about it, but repaired them, and then the same thing happened again. Obviously, the glasses were of an inferior quality. His old glasses lasted 10 years, and he wants a full refund because he's tired of not seeing clearly. He's suing $682, the amount he's owed. This is the defendant, Iris Silverio. She says the nasty plaintiff's trying to scam her because he's in every year with a problem. The guy doesn't care for his eyeglasses properly, and she's not in the business of being ripped off by her customers. Bottom line, she repaired the guy's glasses a number of times, but the buck stops here. She's accused of cracking up a customer. The defendant has filed a countersuit for $74, the cost of changing a lens.
All parties, please raise your right hands.
Welcome back to the People's Court. Next case in the docket, the plaintiff bought a pricey pair of glasses and says that the frame began to crack. But the defendant says the plaintiff is trying to rip her off. It's the case of lens crafty.
Thank you, sir. Nicholas Vasilakos. Vasilakos. You are suing Lawrence Blum. Doing business as Lawrence Blum Optical, represented here by Iris Silverio. You're the optician, and you're the person who did all the dealings with him?
Yes.
Okay, you have power of attorney for Mr. Blum,
That's
Dr.
correct.
Blum? Yes?
That's correct. Yes.
Okay. You're suing them for $682, $582 for glasses that you bought, and $100 that you were charged for a lens change because according to you, the glasses shouldn't have broken. You have a counterclaim for $74 for the lens change because according to you, the lens change was $174, not $100. Okay, tell me what's going on.
Back in June 2010, on the recommendation of an employee of Dr. Bloom's office, I went to see Dr. Bloom to have an eye exam, which I did, and it was quite satisfactory. And at the same office, there is a showroom, a small little showroom selling glasses. So I walked in. I was pretty pleased, satisfied with the doctor. So I walked in and I looked around. Finally, I made a decision to buy a pair of glasses. I paid $300 in cash, and then there was a balance left of $282. About a year or so later, someone pointed out to my glasses, said, you know, your glasses, there's something wrong. They crack and they shattering. I held on for a couple more months or so, but finally...
Did you have a warranty on these glasses?
I was not...
Is there a warranty on the glasses?
When I sell a pair of glasses, I explain to every patient that the eyeglasses are warranted for 1 year.
Is that on the receipt?
No.
You just tell them you have a warranty for 1 year?
Right. And, you know, things happen. And every once in a while, someone will come back with broken glasses and I honor the warranty.
All right. So then you notice the cracking on your glasses and
Right.
You go back to them how long after the purchase date?
It was approximately a little more than a year.
More than a year?
Yeah.
Okay. But you went ahead and honored the warranty and changed it for him?
Correction. He came back January 5th, 2011.
Oh, so he was within the warranty?
Yes, with broken lenses, and I happily remade them.
So you remade them? Mm-hmm. How many times did you go in to have the glasses remade?
I bought them the first time. Then I went first time to have him, to make them. They charged me $100 instead of $174. Then the third time, they charged me nothing. Then now I have the fourth pair of glasses,
Okay.
which are shattered.
So you
and
have
broken.
4 pairs of glasses.
Correct.
And you bought the glasses 3 years ago with a 1-year warranty, and they've redone them 4 times.
2, 3, 4,
They've
yes.
done
Okay.
They've
The first
done
time was under warranty according to you, and the other 3?
First time, January 5th, 2011, I remade them. Then he came back with a broken right lens on May 24, 2011, and the lenses were scratched. I remade them again. Then he came back March 16, 2012. I advised him to have a new eye examination because he was due for his yearly exam, and he had the exam with Dr. Blum, who he raved about, and I explained to him that I was going to have to make new lenses, and this was going to incur some costs. I was going to talk to my lab to get a reduced cost on these glasses, which I did. The initial lenses, the lenses themselves were $366. I had these made for $174. When I went to dispense the eyeglasses, he slammed $100 down on the table, said that was more than enough than he should have to pay, because this was, according to him, a manufacturer's defect, which it wasn't. He breaks his glasses continuously.
Well, it doesn't even matter. He changed his prescription.
And he changed his prescription, exactly. So
you don't get the free prescription.
Right. So the lab was.
But had you told him it would be $174 beforehand?
I didn't know ahead of time because I have to use my resources.
So when he slammed $100, why didn't you just say, no glasses for you? It's $174.
He already had them on. Every time he picks up his glasses, he said they're perfect, they're beautiful. He puts them on, he's happy, he's raving, he's happy. And every time he breaks them, he's angry as hell. He comes in and he's harassing. He says, you have no idea what I'm capable of. I could buy this office 2 times over. So he's very menacing, which is the only reason, because of the intimidation, that's the only reason that I said, okay, well, wait a minute, let me talk to my people, let me see what my lab can do for me, and then I always pass on I passed on the discount in that instance for him. Then that was March 2012, September 2012, broken again. He comes back from his trip from Greece, the temple is broken, the lenses are shattered, and
how'd you break him in Greece?
Excuse me, Your Honor, may I?
Yeah, how'd you break him in Greece? That's what I want to know.
No, they broke by themselves.
Oh, sure.
Well, glasses don't break by themselves. Something happened.
Your Honor,
every time.
If you look at them, I have the glasses here, and you observe them, you'll see that there's a gradual shattering. I did not misuse them.
How will I know how gradual the shattering was? I'll just know it's shattered.
The young lady is overstating and also saying many statements which are not true at all. Okay. And I refuse the fact that she's saying that I slammed. I do not do that. I have a lot of patience, I can
tell.
Believe me.
Okay, can I see the glasses? Because I don't have that much patience.
And if not, if you allow me, I will come over and point out exactly.
I'm afraid.
Why are you afraid that? Do I look
menacing?
Dangerous?
No, I'm just kidding. Hold on one second.
Of course.
Just hold on.
Slowly, you'll see.
How do I know that that's gradual just from looking at it? How do I not know?
You can look, where the frame is joined with the lenses, you can see that one is shattered more than the other. And that's how they began.
I mean, I would say that that's the weak point where they're joined. That's the weak point. If it's going to break, it's going to break there. So
I don't know what.
So then, if you only have a 1-year warranty, which even that you don't have in writing, thank God she admits it, that you have a 1-year warranty. Then why are you complaining that they didn't last you more than a year?
Your Honor, there was no statement whatsoever when I first purchased the glasses that there is a 1-year warranty.
Okay, so then that means you have zero warranty. Zero is what you have. If you don't have a 1-year affirmative warranty, you have zero.
Your Honor, as you know, there is such a law, commercial law, which I studied 101 when I was in school, warranty of mercantability.
Right. How long do you think that lasts?
Pardon me?
How long? How long?
For whatever length is supposed to last.
Well, what is that in your
book? I do not know. You are the judge.
Right.
You decide.
If you wear the glasses for a year, how do I not? The problem with a year's a long time. How do I know how you're yanking them off, yanking them on? That's let me finish. That's exactly where the wear and tear would be. Exactly where the thing meets the rimless glasses. That's exactly where it would be. So why would that be necessarily a manufacturer's defect or a breach of mercantability or any other thing that you're trying to fly in? I mean, how long do you think the glasses are going to last? It depends. Are these your only glasses, by the way?
Pardon me?
Like, do you have just one pair of glasses that you wear all day?
No, I have more.
Okay. Yes. Are these glasses progressives?
Yes.
Okay. And so do you wear them, when you wear them, do you wear them all day?
Not necessarily, no.
Can you see without them?
Of course I can. I'll take it out of you. I can see you very well.
How many fingers am I holding up?
Just as pretty.
How many fingers am I holding up?
2.
Okay.
Your Honor.
But I mean, how long do you think these things are going to last?
Well, my last pair of glasses, and I think anybody who has glasses here can testify. I don't see anybody with glasses.
He's looking to the audience for direction. Go ahead.
The day lasts more than a year. More than a year.
How long?
Much longer.
How long?
Even 2 years. They did not last 1 year. Neither any pair of glasses, 3 pair of glasses did not last 1 year. I feel that I was given something which was mal-manufactured.
Says who?
What
evidence do you have of that? Did you take them
If
to
they
another
broke,
doctor
they
who
broke
said,
3 times.
did you take them to another
they-
place? Yeah, but how, do you understand that things could break because you're taking them off and you're putting them on, you're getting excited, you're
Wear
ripping
and
them off,
tear.
you're putting them
I
on.
was-
They get weak, time
Okay.
passes, a year and a half passes.
Again, I want to see if anybody here bought a pair of glasses and they broke 3 times in 4 years. Anybody? Stand up. Nobody. Your Honor, this is common sense. Logic dictates. I just need to say that.
I love you.
Thank you. I love you too, Judge.
I do. I love you.
Okay, let me have your glasses just for a quick sec. If this part of the glass breaks right here, is it most likely the result of a glass frame that's defective or abuse? What do you think?
Abuse,
Because?
because it's hard to break the side of your glasses off without trying.
So, what do you think? Abuse or neglect?
I would say abuse.
Abuse.
Yes, because where the glass is at. I mean, it's
And also, if there's any period of time that lapses, it's probably the person that's wearing it, right?
That's true.
Okay. I'm glad I could put words in your mouth going inside the courtroom.
I love you,
I can't
but
hear-
I cannot rule for you.
Well, listen.
Because I have to rule based
Nobody-
on what you have
Nobody,
in
nobody,
your case,
nobody,
your contract.
nobody is infallible.
Your contract doesn't even have a bit of warranty.
Tell me
And
what
yet
it says.
she says, all right, Judge, I give everybody a
No,
year.
no, no.
I know
Also-
he can't prove it against me, but let me
You
be
know
honest
what?
with you. I give him
Another
a
point,
year.
another point,
I have her
Judge.
changing it within the year, which is what sort of warranty is. It's, I'm going to fix it if it breaks within a year. That's the warranty. And once you've done that, you've complied with the law. And then I have her changing it after that because she's afraid of you for $174. How many times?
Judge.
Because he gets excited
Judge,
there. Like he's
Judge,
excited
Judge.
here.
It's causing a scene,
Judge.
and it's too much for the
Judge,
office.
Judge.
It's got to be entertaining for everybody else, though, in there.
No, it really isn't.
It would make me want to go to your store if he was there
awful.
entertaining me for an hour
I've had to
before.
put up with this over
Your
and
Honor,
over for
Your
3
Honor,
years.
Your Honor,
It's awful.
Okay? I'm going to try again.
To explain it to me?
No, to reverse your initial indication.
Oh, okay. You're going to try again to persuade me. You have, by the way, hold
Correct.
on a second, because we didn't talk about, you have a counterclaim against him for 74. Why? Because he slammed 100 and you...
He had his eyes examined and required a new prescription at that time when he came in the 3rd time with the broken lenses. And so I was able to get him a great discount from my lab to remake those lenses.
Because it was, and by the way, this was
Right.
outside the year warranty?
Outside, yes.
Now, this is outside
This
the
is almost
year,
2
a
years
year
at this point.
after.
Almost
Okay,
2
it's
years.
2 years from the initial purchase
Right,
when
exactly.
we're doing it. You give him a discount. You give
Right.
you give
So
him the
instead
new
of
lenses with a new
360
prescription.
Right, new
for
prescription.
174.
Right,
and
slams
he won't pay you the
$100 down.
174, even though
No.
he paid $350 for the last prescription.
Right.
What justification
Honor,
do you
Your
have
Honor,
for
I
not
wanna
paying?
point out something.
Stop, and listen to me.
I'll stop.
Okay. What justification do you have if you change the prescription? You understand the rest of us all need to get new glasses
Right,
when we
no,
change
but
our
he's
prescriptions.
different. He's special.
Why are you special and different? Why would you not
Please.
have to pay the reduced price of 174?
Hear me.
Why?
The counterclaim by the defendant is as fake as the rest of her story. I'll tell you why. Because when I first bought the glasses, okay,
Step back, you're making
and
me
I paid
nervous.
$100, okay, she made me another pair of glasses subsequent to that with zero charge. She never asked me for the $74. I never received a bill for the $74.
Is that
and
accurate
therefore-
that you made glasses
Yes.
for him again a time after that?
After March 16, 2012, that was the charge for 174. He brought them in September 25th, broken again. Now, those new lenses had a warranty on
Of a
them.
year.
Because we did right by our lab. We paid our bill, and therefore,
And then he
they
just
extended the
shortened your
warranty to
74
us.
and you were going to
Okay.
swallow it.
Right. And at that point, I shouldn't have helped them, except for the
No, you had to help them
loudness.
because they had a year warranty.
Right, but
Yeah.
I didn't
What
want
about
to
these
because
glasses
of
then?
this. Because
Okay.
of this very reason.
Why-
He's
why
loud.
do these
Can't
glasses?
let him back in. You know that, right? Like the year's over. That second year from the last glasses is over, right?
Right. It's over.
Wait, you pointed out that the lenses had a 1 year warranty. Therefore, she did not charge me the second time anything for the lenses because they were within a year. Correct?
Yeah.
Yes. This pair of glasses also, they cracked within a year.
Right. And she changed him.
No, she did not.
You just told me
No,
that. and
no.
she-
Your Honor, these glasses here are within 1 year.
You don't do 2 warranties within a year. I'm supposed to do 1 warranty within 1 year.
Oh,
Where's your
now
warranty?
we've got 2 warranties.
Where's your warranty written
no,
down,
no,
or
one
where is it
warranty.
anywhere?
Why?
Had I known that I was supposed to give
You
a
should know. Your
warranty
warranty
ahead of
should
time,
be. Let me
I
just
would have
explain
asked him
something.
to buy his glasses
Can I tell you
elsewhere.
how you can make your life a lot easier?
Okay.
On the invoice, when you need to have pre-printed
Stamp.
invoices
Yeah.
or a stamp, it's much easier to have pre-printed invoices that say 1 year warranty parts and labor, one time, or whatever it is you intend for the warranty to be. Do you have your warranty posted anywhere in the store?
No.
Okay, because
We've never had an issue.
okay, that's great. But how does your customer know that when you tell them they have a 1-year warranty, 1-year warranty, 1-year warranty, 1-year warranty, which is what we've said in the trial the whole time? This other limitation of it's one time. I know, but how do you put them on notice of that when he's been your customer for 4 years? Because you're always saying 1-year warranty. This is worse than a 1-year warranty. It's one time in 1 year. If you just say 1-year warranty, I think that I get them fixed during that year. The number of times that they break, that's not my fault. If it's my fault, it's different. But that I get them fixed the number of times they break when it's not my fault because it's 1-year warranty. Now you're limiting the warranty to
one time.
And if you've never said that before, which I think you'll admit that you never said, oh, one time in 1 year, put your hand down. Sure. One time in 1 year, if you've never said that before, then how is he on notice that there's that further limitation? Because according to you, you only get one replacement during the thing.
Right.
But you agree that you had never said that to him before, that you had only said 1-year warranty.
I had said that, but he doesn't listen.
You're
but
making up stories, Your Honor. Many stories have been made.
if I say it to every single customer, why would I not say it to him? I don't.
Many of the stories she said
I've been
were
working for Dr.
untrue.
Blum for 5 years, and we've never had an issue. Our patients are very nice. You know, we have a very nice rapport. There is no need for us to have everything, you know, documented and.
No, but you're wrong. See, folks, I don't care how many times you say, I don't need to write things down and have them documented because it doesn't mean anything. Apparently it does, because look at you. I can't help but notice that you're litigants in court. Okay, so it means something. I have to sit here and slice and dice this relationship, this contractual relationship, and figure out who's right. I realize that he's a high maintenance customer. Okay, but you know, his money was green enough for you all these other years when he's continued to be your client for 4 years or whatever it's been, under 3 years, under the theory that in fact you have at least 1-year warranty.
He basically comes in,
Here's what I'm going to do. We're done. I'm going to make this as painless as possible. And nobody's going to leave here happy, okay? Did your lab, at the time that your lab did the lenses for $174, that was a favor to you?
That was a favor, yes.
That's not like the cost and then you just didn't make profit.
as a personal, as if they were my glasses.
Right, and so that's the cost.
Right.
That's the cost basis. You just didn't make any profit out of it. Okay.
With all the redos at this point, we're, you know, never made a profit on these eyeglasses.
Okay. Yeah, I know.
Just a lot of hassles.
Yeah, I know. And you know how you can avoid that? By putting everybody on clear notice, and then I would have thrown them out of here about 25 minutes ago. So here's what we're going to do. I am going to order a money judgment in favor of the plaintiff, not in the amount that he's suing for, taking into account your little $74 problem, taking into account what we've talked about, and doing a little rough justice. Verdict for the plaintiff, $200. And then you use that, you get your eyes examined again, which you need to do anyway every year, and then you use that towards another pair of glasses in another optical store.
With a written warranty.
That is with a written warranty. That's what I would do.
I'd known he wanted that, and I told him to go somewhere else.
Your Honor, thank you.
All right, so they say a good compromise or decision is one in which neither side is 100% happy. What have you possibly got left for us here in the hallway?
Well, I'm still sweating. I had to really sweat in order to get the judge to slightly reverse her initial, what I thought decision that would be, you know, in favor of.
Yeah, you got a little nervous there. It was going to go the wrong way.
You know, of course, I was skeptical because, you know, ladies are dangerous. Nevertheless, I'm pretty happy. I enjoyed the day here.
Good.
And I don't really want to come back. No.
You're going to find yourself another optician?
I already did. Voila.
Oh, nice. Okay.
You like my glasses?
You like them? Good. All right, head right down there, okay?
Thank you.
Right this way. You're welcome. All right, so you satisfied how this is finally resolved?
The fact that I never have to see him again, yes, I'm satisfied.
Well, I gotta have you step around.
Oh, he's still out there, so now you're gonna. We can assume that there are going to be some new signs going up in the store.
Absolutely, we will put some policies into place in our receipts and perhaps a sign also.
It'll be stamped on there. It'll be printed. You'll be clear. Everyone will be clear what the policies are on the warranties.
Exactly.
From now on, Harvey.
It is insane. If somebody gives you a warranty orally, get it in writing. If it's good enough to say, it's good enough to write.